Hello, and this is recording number 11 in the Etsy SubReddit and Quora Q&A series. And today's question comes from the Etsy subreddit, and it was asked by Subtacone. And here's what it said. Title is, I messed up big time. Hey all, I opened up my store in December 2016 and made $1,000. I assume that's the amount of money. However, I didn't know you had to report taxes on revenue until last month. I plan on reporting this year, however. Do I report 2016 income as well? Also, if I sold around $6,000 this year, how much should I expect to pay in taxes? Okay, before I answer this, I'm going to preface it by saying I am not an accountant. I am not a lawyer. Do not take what I say as official accounting advice or legal advice. This is strictly my opinion. And I had this question too, because when I first started selling online as well, I didn't know about paying taxes or how much was due. I knew I had to pay taxes. I just didn't know how to collect it or how to report it, etc. But I asked this very question to my lawyer. I've since gotten a lawyer who I consult quite regularly, because if you're going to be selling on Etsy and you're going to be making money, if you're going to be running a business in general, it's always good to consult with a lawyer and an accountant. And they do different things. Sometimes you might be tempted to talk to just one or the other, but it's actually a better idea to talk to an actual accountant whose specialty is accounting and finance and taxes, and then a lawyer who can walk you through what legal requirements are required of you. So anyway, so I asked my lawyer, I said, is there really a threshold of like a dollar figure or a certain amount of money that I have to make before I'm required to pay taxes? Because I heard around the internet that, you know, you have to hit a certain number before you're required to pay taxes. And he told me that's not true. You're required to pay taxes on every dollar that you make, that you earn in your business. And this is for the US, in America. I don't know about any other country. And so I was under the impression that you had to make, I think it was 600 minimum before you were required to pay taxes. And he said that that was not actually the case, and the IRS wants their taxes on every dollar that you earn or every dollar that you make. So to Subtacone, yes, you do need to pay taxes. What was your actual question? I plan on reporting this year. Do I report 2016 income tax as well? My advice, again, not a lawyer, not an accountant, yes, report any taxes, any income that you made, and pay taxes that you owe. Don't let the IRS come after you. Send them what you owe them. The second question is, also, if I sold around $6,000 this year, how much should I expect to pay in taxes? I think that really all depends on where you're located. State taxes vary, county taxes vary, local district taxes vary, and then there might be nexus taxes too. I don't know. So that you really need to talk to an accountant about, and an accountant that's most preferably located in the same vicinity that you are located in, so that they know what the accounting and tax requirements are for your specific location. But the bottom line is, if you have income, the IRS wants their cut, you should pay your taxes. All right, thanks.